We go further in animating, and in this lecture you are going to animate the layers of our graphic clip. You will effectively create your own lower third. Now we're not gonna push it far, remember this is not After Effects, but we will do some simple work to make sure that your video is looking pretty good. So now we are in section 9.3. Let's twirl down all the upper ones. Okay, and double click to open our clip over here. We close the other clips. Here we are. Now we want to enable the graphic clip, so we click on enable, and we want to cancel the animation on this clip, so we put the playhead after, and we click on scale, so we eliminate the animation, and of course return the trim. This is what we have done the last lecture. So also we need to cancel the animation for the clips. We come back here and we cancel the animation. Here we are. Cool. So we returned everything to normal and no animation. Now let's animate the layers here. It's very easy. If you select your clip, of course, you cannot animate the layers from the essential graphics. You have to go back to the effect controls. We can start animating this rectangle. If you twirl down, of course, you have the appearance, twirl it up, and we focus on position. Now notice as soon as I click on the position, already I have the handles here, I can start animating it. So we will animate it where it comes from the outside to the inside. Cool. So after some time, just like this over here, you click on the stopwatch to initiate the animation and create your first keyframe. I believe that you already know what the keyframe means by now. If you go back to the beginning, you can now scrub the position to take it outside, or you can click and drag it to the out. If you press shift, it will stop you from moving it up and down. Just go in a straight line for the first direction going in. Here you are. So now it's out. Let's test it. So press spacebar, and it's not bad. It's cool. Fine. Maybe it's too fast or too slow. You can adjust this later. I'll show you. Now let's take the second layer. That will be the Buffalo Mountain, and we turn down. And of course, we don't want to see the source. We want only the transform. Just selecting position, it will highlight it. And we can now animate it also with position if you like. So after some time, let's say just over here, now the rectangle or the background has come in. I will click on position, the stopwatch to initiate the animation and create the keyframe. Before that, let's go back, for example, just over here. Now it will start coming out. So I will click on position and just drag it to the outside. Okay, let's test it. We come back to the beginning. So I'm coming back to the beginning of the clip here, if you notice. Press the space bar. 1, 2, not bad, not bad. It's working. Let's go now to, I love this place. Maybe we change the text, make it more interesting. Let's do up source text, and we are in transform. Click on position. Here it is. Let's go just after, Buffalo comes in, just here, and it takes a moment now. There is a delay after Buffalo, so I love this place comes in. I will click on the stopwatch to initiate the animation, of course, and just behind here on this keyframe, so over here, I will just take it out. Here you are. So let's play our animation, come back to the beginning, press play. Here you are, not bad, not bad. You can play with it now a bit more. Let's say you to click on the keyframe, start moving it. Let's put it over here. Of course, you're moving it through time here. And we play again. 1, 2. Beautiful. So actually now you have created your first lower third. So animating in Premiere Pro, simple animations are very nice. Let's animate the apple. I play a few tricks. After they come in, all of them, you want to attract some attention on the apple. Let's go to the apple now here. We twirl it down. We go to scale, for example. And we say after some time here, we keyframe the scale. It has to be as big as this. And then before that, let's just make sure it is 0. Simple. Usually that's how you animate the scale, from 0 to big ones. Oppa, nice. Actually, as easy as you have seen, this is how to animate in Premiere Pro. And you need to do some simple animation. Don't complicate. If you want a complicated animation, like we will see in the next lecture, you better use the templates from After Effects. I'll see you in the next lecture where we are going to see what the templates are all about.